Hi friends, this is Avinash Kumar. Welcome you all to this video. We will discuss today difference between compiler and interpreter. Before starting to find out difference between both, let's take a look at what actually compiler and interpreter is. Compiler and interpreter came in programming world once programmers started coding in high-level programming language. Actually, high-level programming languages are having keywords. Those are in simple English words like for, if, else, switch, etc. These are easily understandable by human being but not by the computers. The computer only understands machine code in form of binary. So to fill this gap, compiler and interpreter comes in a picture. Both are used to find errors in source code and convert source code to machine language by their own different processes. Let's discuss the difference between their processes. So here we have some differences. The compiler converts complete source code at a single time, but in other hand, interpreter converts source code line by line. The compiler takes large time because during compilation it checks syntactic and semantic both type of errors. But interpreter takes less time because it only checks syntactic error at the time to interpret. But apart from it, there are also some reasons those make compilers slow. But first understand what syntactic and semantic error is. Let's take an example of syntactic error. Those are related to the syntax of programming language, means compiler does not understand the syntax of source code. And semantic errors are those occurs due to invalid programming logics, like if variable is declared but not initialized and after that programmer has done some arithmetic operations on top of that, or after some arithmetic operation it exceeds the size of the variable. Next difference between compiler and interpreter is compiler requires high memory compared to interpreter because compiler creates intermediate object codes during the compilation for further linking. However, the interpreter does not create intermediate object codes. The compiler gives complete error at a time. However, interpreter stop interpreting at very first error. This is why debugging is easier in interpreter than the compiler. So these are some differences between compiler and interpreter. For this video, that's it from my side. Kindly share this video with your friends, subscribe my channel and please hit like button. Thanks once again.